If you want to send files by using Quick Share on the Samsung Galaxy S26, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you have to open the settings and go for connected devices. Now select Quick Share, and as you can see over here, you have to set it up so you can select who can share with you. So in my case, I'm just gonna select everyone, and I'm gonna unselect only for 10 minutes. You have to also make sure that you are gonna enable that option, show available devices on the share panel, and you have to just do this exactly the same on the second smartphone that you are gonna use. So now, if you want to share some specific things, like let's say I want to share this picture, I have to go for it, click on the share icon, and now I have to select Quick Share from all available sharing methods. Now, on the nearby devices, you can find nearby devices. What a surprise! But we have to just click on them and keep each phones close to each other, and now it's just connecting. As you can see on my phone, I just received this prompt, so I have to click accept, and now quickly I will just receive this specific file. As you can see, this is everything for this video. Thanks for watching.